Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm just going to be letting you, sorry y'all, in this video it's a little different. I'm doing like a vlog style video, so y'all please bear with me.
I have no idea what I'm doing,
but I just want to try something different here on the channel. I really enjoy making videos, so I wanted to just kind of make a different video. Please let me know if you guys enjoy this type of video. But on today's to-do list, we have to get flowers for my salon suite and for tomorrow or the day after, which is Thanksgiving. I know the dates are all thrown off, but I'm going to be you know, just kind of upping the vibe in the salon, kind of making it a little bit more mellow in the salon. So I wanted to incorporate a couple things that I ordered off of Amazon into the salon, and I will be showing you that also. But if you are interested in this type of content, please stick around. So I recently purchased this steamer from Amazon. It's called the King Steam. It's not a professional steamer, but it's definitely something that can get the job done. It comes with all of these parts, and added on is a facial like piece that you could steam your face, or you could probably steam your hair as well with this. And it just comes with these little doors, and you open it and it just protects the glass as it's heating up, so you don't just like reach in there and burn yourself, because we don't want that. And you just attach it by just kind of twisting it in the top area. This part was kind of annoying, but I got through it. You add your oils right here. It's like essential oils if you want to add them to your steam. And yeah, it was kind of cute. I liked it. It was very compact and easy to put together, so I didn't need any help. Okay. So this is how you attach the actual hair steamer. You're going to just like, you know, clip that in, make sure it's all secured and everything, and then you're going to clip the two parts of the hooded dryer to the actual steamer part, and then you want to make sure that you connect that white tube to the hood of the dryer, because if not, it's not going to steam. I made that mistake for y'all, so y'all won't have to make it. So yeah, so I'm going to be steaming my client's hair, and a couple of the products that I'm using is I'm going to be doing the Head & Shoulders, the Royal Oils collection. As you can see, I've been using this. My client suffers from dry scalp, so we're going to do a pre-shampoo treatment, and this is really good. I'm not really like a huge fan of Head & Shoulders, but I found that this pre-shampoo buildup remover pre-treats scalp to break up buildup. This works really good during a steam treatment because it's supposed to sit on the head for about 10 minutes, and I'll go more into detail about this when I'm actually using it. And for the strands of her hair, I'm going to be using the Olaplex number 5. She's already gotten a Olaplex number 3 treatment, so this is just to kind of maintain what we've already done with her hair. And of course, in the steamer, I'm going to be using the distilled water. So make sure you guys use the distilled water inside of the steamer, because if not, if you use like tap water or bottled water, it will like deteriorate your machine and make it go out a little quicker, and that's not what we want. So make sure you use distilled or purified water is what it says on the actual instructions. So y'all keep watching. I'm going to take you along with me while I steam her hair and see how it comes out. So at this point, I'm just rinsing out the pre-shampoo treatment that I talked about in the previous clip from Head & Shoulders. It's from the Royal Oils collection, y'all. And I don't know why I have such a hard time saying that. It's like a tongue twister for me. Royal Oils. Royal Oils. Sorry, it may just be me. My bad. But you can clearly see all the residue in the scalp buildup that's being rinsed out of her hair. This product contains apple cider vinegar, and I do go into more detail about this product in another video, which I will link in the description if you're interested in watching. And yeah, y'all can see that this product really works. I mean, if you keep watching, you're gonna see all the residue in the sink, and this is just perfect for if you are like in between services, or if you get ready to get your hair braided, or you could probably do this with box braids and stuff like that too, because because I know a lot of my clients do suffer from scalp issues and they have like braids and stuff. This is perfect for you. So check that out in the description. And I don't know why I'm doing a full-on voiceover, because I'm not really doing too much in this video except for just shampooing and conditioning my client's hair. But I did want to hop on and just talk to y'all. Is that okay? I just wanted to chit chat. So this is the number 5 Olaplex that I was talking about earlier, and I am using this treatment along with the steam. So you can use nothing in your hair when you steam your hair, or you can steam different type of things like the essential oils. You can do that, but I decided to use the number 5 Olaplex because my client is getting a silk press, and I wanted to make sure that the health of her hair was taken care of before we, make it pretty and style it up. So this is what I chose to do. I did poke a few holes in the plastic bag that we're using, and you don't have to use a plastic bag when you steam your hair, but I chose to use a plastic bag because her hair is wet, so from using the conditioner, and I didn't want all the water dripping down her neck. So however you choose to do it is perfect for your hair, and this is what works. So I hope you guys benefit from this steamer. I don't know why it's not steaming, but this is how it came out. Super beautiful. It was so lightweight. I truly saw the results for real. So this was my last client of the day. This is exactly how she came in. She got a silk press maybe like 3 weeks ago, and her hair colored a few weeks before that. And yeah, it's still looking super healthy. It's really beautiful, and we're just going to do some extensions today. My girl wanted some length, so I got her these extensions. They are the kinky curly extensions, and I just colored them and toned them to match my client's hair color, and this is how it came out. Oh, it was so cute. Oh my gosh, I loved it so much. So I finally got the flowers, and y'all please excuse that extra boob hanging out of my bra. She always trying to say hi to somebody. But yeah, I'm just clipping the ends of the stems to make the flowers last longer. And I thought the flowers were really cute, but not one person said anything about them. Look at the pom-poms. So pretty. I got the same bouquet from the salon too. I love them.